Good morning, children. Third grade, Social Science, chapter 16, and the name of the chapter is Story of Early Man. Right, children? Man. Man, human beings lived thousands years ago, children. So, they used to wonder, in the beginning, they were called hominids, right, children? They used to wander from place to place in search of food, right? They used to wander from place to place in search of food. They were scared of big and dangerous animals. So they used to stay together. Right, children? They used to stay together and they were moving from one place to another place. They used to hunt the animals. They used to eat the animals, and the skin of the animals they were used as clothes for humans. So they used to stay together. They used to stay in small groups, right, children? They used to stay in small groups because they were scared of dangerous animals in the forest. So these are the early stages of the human life. So after some years, they started collecting sharp edged stones or wooden pieces which are very sharp, and they used to tie to a stick and they used to use it as their tool to hunt. That is how they found axe and hammer in the beginning. They used to kill the animal and they used to treat it as a flesh as their food. So they used these man-made axe and hammers for fishing, hunting, digging and sieving also. Okay, children? So they used to kill the animals. Now home. In the beginning, those days they wanted to protect themselves from fire or dangerous animals. So they used tree tops as their home. Right, children? They used tree top as their home. Again, they used caves as their home also. They used to stay both in tree tops as their home and caves. You must have seen some caves. Caves means in a mountain or a hill. They used to in the hill top or in the bottom. They used to dig the mud or stone and they used to prepare a cave type. So they used to stay. They were not aware of these type of buildings, homes in the beginning. Then clothes. They used to cover their body from with the help of skin of animals, and they wanted to protect themselves from cold also. Sometimes they used to cover their body with the barks of the tree or leaves of the tree. Somehow they came to know that it protects them from hot and cold. Clothes protect them from very hot or season, cold situation. So they discovered the cloths. Now next, discovery of fire. What happened in those days? There used to be a jungle fire, right, children? Fire. When they saw the jungle fire, they learned one thing, that the dangerous animals or whatever the animal may be, the animals are scared of fire. They learned that in those days, and they came to know that to protect themselves from the animals, they started using fire. What they did in the beginning, they sparked with two stones. They sparked the two stones and they invented the fire. Fire they invented, and they learned that animals won't come near the fire, so they started protecting themselves from the animals with the help of fire. Next, accidentally, we are telling that accidentally a flesh piece must have fell in the fire, and after picking up from the fire, they must have tasted the fire, and they felt that the taste of the flesh is different, more soft and more tastier. So they learned from the fire that they can cook the food also. So that is how the cooking of the food started, children. It changed their life. Discovery of fire changed their life to a lot extent. So nowadays fire we are leading a easy life, but those days they have daily they used to do lot many inventions. To sum up, in this lesson we learned all early humans were called hominids, and they discovered few tools like axe and hammer for hunting, digging, sieving. Then home were treetops and caves were their home, and cloths, animal skins, barks, leaves was their cloths. And discovery of fire. Discovery of fire helped them to prevent the attack from wild animals. Then cooking the food, they learned how to cook food, and it changed a lot in their life. So this is how the first part of the early humans is led, as they discovered. So in the next class we are going to learn more things about the early man. Thank you.